Hey, excuse me, come here. You got 5 minutes? Come here for a sec. Hey, how you doing?
Hi.
You got 5 minutes? So what do you are you trying to head home or something?
Yeah, I'm waiting for my ride.
You're waiting for your ride? You go to do you attend this tech school right here?
I do. I just
Okay.
got out of class and going home now.
Oh, that's awesome. Hey, open this up. 1 second. Open that up before we lose her. Hey, so listen, not sure if you're totally interested, but I do give, we are looking for, I'm a documentary filmmaker.
I see.
And, you know, we're always on the hunt for like new stories and stuff like that. And right now we're currently doing a movie on like, just college and different schools and campuses and money and the struggle that young kids face nowadays. And
True.
you know,
Yeah.
they say you could go to college to get a degree and then you could still be asked out with jobs and stuff, you know.
Yeah, I know.
Girls end up stripping and guys end up selling their ass,
Oh,
you know.
yeah, I guess so.
So I'm trying to get down to the bottom of that. Like, why are there no jobs for these college kids when they get out of school? Are you interested in doing the interview?
I mean, I guess like, no, not really. I'm just waiting on my ride. They should be here any minute, so.
Okay, well, I mean, why didn't you like attend like a big university instead of a tech school? Why'd you choose?
The tech school gets you a job right afterwards once you're done, so I just rather.
See, there it is. Yeah, see, they're better. So you would advise to go to a tech school over university?
It just depends on what you want to do.
I felt like that was like the broke university, like the broke way to go.
It kind of is,
the
yeah.
cheap way to go.
It is.
Yeah, it's not that expensive?
It's not that bad. It's, you know, student loans are pretty bad, but I'd rather go here than like a university.
Is that why you can't afford like jeans with like complete jeans?
Yeah, I had to get them off a homeless person, so they're a little ripped. Because, you know, money's tight.
I'm just kidding, just busting your balls. So, I mean, look, it sounds like we're doing the interview already, dude. You got it like another 10 minutes? Look, I'll pay you for your time. I'll give you 25 bucks for your time.
$25.
Yeah, just for a small interview, a little 10-minute interview. Come on. So, tell us, what's your name?
My name's Lilith.
Okay, Lilith. And so, how long have you been going to the tech school?
It's my first year. I'm a freshman, so it's been a couple months since I started.
Cool, cool. What are you learning to become?
I'm working with computers, so just...
Computers? Yeah, you know what? That is the way of the future, the computers for sure.
It is.
Right? Computers is a way to do it. Man, how old are you?
I'm 20.
20. Awesome. Do you, does your boyfriend go to the same school, or do you have a boyfriend?
No, I don't have a boyfriend, and he obviously does not go to the same school as me, because he doesn't exist. So this is not like, so they don't have dorms or nothing here, right? This is not like a dorm situation? No.
But don't you think dorms would have been more fun? Like university is fun to go to because they got the dorms. Maybe even like out of like a different state and stuff like that. Wouldn't that be like better?
That would be fun, yeah, but...
I heard a lot of fucking crazy shit goes down in dorms, right?
Yeah, I heard that too, but I don't know. I mean, I've heard that it's fun for a little while and then it goes away. So, and then you're stuck with all this money that you have to pay.
But think about all that fucking crazy sex you're missing out on at fucking dorms, right? Are you a crazy girl?
I find crazy sex here.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
See, you're perfect for this interview. I'd love to.
No, they're not.
Excuse me?
Yeah, what's going on here? What
I don't know. They're like...
I'm sorry. We're conducting an interview. I'm sorry. You are like, I don't know.
I work here. This is a tech school.
Oh shit, you work at the...
Yeah, you're blocking traffic. What are you guys... Is this your
Really?
ride?
No.
Is there a car behind me?
Are you waiting for your ride?
Excuse me, I don't
go...
technically we're not blocking traffic. There's no one behind us, so I don't understand.
You can't be here. This is a school property.
What? Not on this side. Maybe that side school property.
Honey, go
Listen,
home.
no, hold on. She's an adult. She doesn't have to like...
No, she cannot. This is... What is this? What are you interviewing?
We're interviewing... Listen, I'm sorry. Let me introduce myself. My name is Hugo, and what I do is I'm a documentary filmmaker, as you can see my camera. And so I'm doing a documentary on school.
You can't do that. This is private property. I'm gonna call security.
Excuse me. No, don't call security. I'm paying her for an interview. It's not. Please don't call security. I mean, I'm paying her for me. I'm giving her, look, I was gonna give her $50 in the end to like help me out. I told you 25, but I was gonna raise it because $50 because you were doing pretty good. We were starting to get into the juicy shit too. I'm kind of bummed.
$50 for what?
Just for a little 10-minute interview. I'm just trying to.
About what?
I'm trying to understand the like these young kids struggle nowadays with college and stuff like that. It's $50. I mean, that's a lot of money. Yeah, $50 for 10 minutes.
10 minutes?
Yeah, 10 minutes, $50. I mean, I didn't really think it was like an issue. I mean, she's an adult. I mean, I'm not doing anything.
What is it about?
Well, we're trying to get like the perspective of the kids like struggle of like, you know, college.